Giga supports governments to implement procurement processes by doing it in a faster way. Usually governments tell us that procurement takes them a long time. So what we do is we create repeatable processes, so that we create templates, we create guidelines that governments can use in their own procurement so that they can implement it in a way that is easier, fast, and that they can scale school connectivity. We also provide them some tools like budget optimization, cost analysis, that helps them to identify which schools can be connected at the best price point, and so that they can have these solutions ready to be implemented. Finally, we are working to create a large procurement vehicle, especially for Africa. We create a set of tools, templates, guidelines that governments can use to do their own procurement, signal the market what they want, and so that the process of procurement can be shortened in time frames, because governments have told us that it's usually a long process, and that they can connect more schools through these mechanisms. We are creating a special procurement vehicle that is a request for proposals. So it's a competitive tender process in which UNICEF will act as a procurement agent. What we're trying to do is to coordinate different countries, different African governments. They can tell us what are their demands in terms of connectivity for schools. They tell us basically, I want to connect 3,000 schools in the next 5 years. Another country can tell us another 1,000 schools. So with all of this information, we are aggregating all of their demand in the next years to consolidate it and go to the market and provide them with an offer that we can negotiate in bulk with suppliers. Because we know that if we are able to negotiate bigger volumes, then we are able also to reduce the prices. We've done that already in several countries where we have supported governments in implementing these RFPs, in which we have seen reductions, for example, in Rwanda around 30%, in Botswana around something between 60 to 90% of the costs. So it's something that is already proven and that we want to scale at the Africa level.